Hello my dear students, today I am going to tell you from direct to indirect the verbs which are changed, how to change them. These are as follow. So for direct and indirect, if the verb is present tense means is MR, then it will be changed into was or were. It should be noticed that this rule is for direct to indirect, means the reported speech will be changed. In case if the reporting verb is in past tense, the part of the reported speech will be changed like this. रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब यदि पास्ट टेंस में है तो रिपोर्टेड स्पीच जो इन्वर्टेड कॉमा के अंदर वाला पार्ट है वो इस तरह से चेंज होगा. इज एम आर विल बी इंटू वॉज अ वर. सेकेंड, इफ इट इज इन पास्ट टेंस मीन्स वॉज अ वर है तब हैड बीन हो जाएगा. इज एम आर में आई एन जी है वर्ब में, या हेल्पिंग वर्ब टू बी है, इज एम आर के साथ में आई एन जी है, दैट टाइम वॉज और वर के साथ में आई एन जी हो जाएगा. द नेक्स्ट इज इफ वॉज और वर प्लस आई एन जी, दैट टाइम हैड बीन प्लस आई एन जी. देन इफ हैज़ और हैव, it changes into had. Then has or have plus pp, it changes into had plus pp. Here pp means past participle. And do or does changes into did. Did changes into had. Didn't plus v1 is there. If in the direct speech it changes into hadn't plus v3 form. V3 form means past participle form. Can changes into could, may into might, will or shall into would or should, must into must, ought to into ought to, and used to into used to. And very simply I would like to tell you, further again I will tell you, but today I will tell you that in easy way we can say if the reporting verb is in past tense then the reported speech के जो tenses हैं वो change हो जाते हैं. तो देखिए किस तरह से change होते हैं. सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस जो है वो सिंपल पास्ट में कन्वर्ट होता है, सिंपल प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस में कन्वर्ट होता है, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट पास्ट परफेक्ट में कन्वर्ट होता है, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस में कन्वर्ट होता है. बट if the reported speech is in past tense means simple past tense, तो simple past tense जो है वो past perfect में convert होता है, past continuous changes into past perfect continuous tense. And now we know modal auxiliaries are changed like that. So my dear students, we had seen some rules. Now the rules for the interrogative sentences. If you have interrogative sentences, those verbs will be as follows. So first is the reporting verb is changed into ask. Means if there is said दिया है तब आप उसे ask में convert करेंगे. Second, the conjunction that is omitted. Means you don't have to use that in the interrogative sentences. Number 3, the interrogative form is changed into assertive form. Mean to say if the sentence is in interrogation, then to make indirect speech you have to change it into the assertive form. For example, I have taken here, he said to me, comma, inverted comma begins, what is your name, question mark, inverted comma close. Here in the indirect speech you have to say he asked me. Here I have converted said into asked because it is past tense, so we have used past tense. He asked me what my name was. As I told you, present tense changes into past tense. Now, fourth rule, if the direct speech begins with the verb, that is verbs are auxiliaries, then if, whether or must are used. For example, he said, comma, inverted comma, do you speak French? Question mark, inverted comma, close. Here indirect speech will be, he asked whether he spoke French. Present tense changes into past tense. Now, rule number 5, it is if the direct speech starts with WH or how words, then the same words you have to repeat in the indirect speech and the sentence will be in the assertive form.